Meaning of hairband.
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 Hairband. A hairband is a type of headwear that is worn to hold hair back from the face. It is typically made from an elastic material or fabric with a band that fits around the head to keep it in place. Hairbands come in many different styles, sizes, and colors, and can be used for both functional and fashionable purposes. They are versatile accessories that can be worn by people of all ages and any hair type. Hairbands are popular among athletes, professionals, and fashion-conscious individuals alike due to their simplicity and convenience.